Where to find chocolate rivers?
Yum, 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 yum. Wow! Hot chocolate rivers! Marshmallow shores! How wonderful! Huh? Oh. I have to find this great place! Hi, Bimmy! Hi, Charlie! I dreamed about an amazing place today. There were rivers full of hot chocolate, marshmallow shores, and many different sweets. We need to find it. Let's have a look. Lots and lots of hot chocolate, right? Yeah! Full rivers! It says a lot of cocoa can be found in a cocoa factory. Onward! To the cocoa factory! Yeah! Wow!
Welcome to the Cocoa Factory. I'm Chef Mouse.
Hi, Chef Mouse. Why are we in a garden with trees? Where are the rivers of hot chocolate and the marshmallow shores?
In fact, this is not the case. But don't be discouraged. I will take you on an exciting tour. Cocoa grows on these trees. This is what the fruit of the cocoa tree looks like. Let's collect and clean them up.
And here is the cocoa tree. Let's collect all the fruits on the tree. Tap on all the fruits on the tree. Tap on the fruit to open it. Great! The fruit has fully opened. Move the beans to the jar. Great job! We have cocoa beans.
This is how we get the most valuable thing. Cocoa beans.
It doesn't look that delicious. Let's see what happens next.
First, you need to roast the cocoa beans. Then, we put them in the crushing machine. And finally, we will grind it into a soft powder. This is how cocoa turns out.
It smells delicious. Yeah.
Let's make the most delicious hot chocolate, like my great-grandfather made.
Let's make some hot cocoa. First, we need to put some cocoa into the mug. Pick the cocoa. Great! Now we need to pour hot milk over the cocoa. Pick some milk. Great job! Let's add the marshmallows now. Choose a marshmallow. What a nice smell! Let's add a straw for convenience. Pick a straw. Wow! How delicious it looks and smells!
It's so delicious! Thanks!
The main thing to remember is everything in moderation. So no more than 2 cups a day. Otherwise, you may have a tummy ache or allergies.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it true that chocolate is also made from cocoa?
Of course it's true.
Let's make chocolate!
Let's see how chocolate is made. Oh no! It seems the conveyor belt has broken. Let's fix it. Remove the items that are interfering with the gears. Great job! Our machine is working now. The first step of making chocolate is to add cocoa. In the second step, we add butter to the cocoa. For the third step, we add sugar to make the chocolate sweet. This is how we get our delicious and sweet chocolate.